Hi folks, it's Lisa Cantalupo from lisacantalupo.com and from sexyskinsleather.etsy.com. I want to show you a product that I've been using. It is Obanoff's Heavy Duty Leather Preservative. I'm actually making this video for a customer who purchased some of my products that I made using this particular bison leather. And I want her to make sure she uses this to restore and preserve her beautiful pieces. A disclaimer, I have no connection to this company whatsoever, so I am not getting any royalties, or they're not paying me to make this video, although maybe they should. But anywho, so this is the leather. It's a mistake piece that that I had left over, and let's scrape it up. Let's see. So this is just like a light surface. I don't know if you can see what I'm doing. See, it's a light surface scratch right there. And I'm not digging into the leather. This is just if you were to scuff up your products. Okay. Little fingernail. So there we go. We got some significant scuffing going on right there. So clean rag, a little drop. I'm just gonna rub it right in. Just like that. Like I said, this leather is a bison. I have tried the same stuff on the products that I ship out to my customers. I really love it. It restores the leather wonderfully. I have not tried it, well, because I don't send out scratched products, so I haven't tried it on other leather that gets scratched up, just this leather. And it works beautifully on this to really bring back the leather and to get rid of the scratches. And basically, that's all you have to do. Pretty cool, huh? So, I highly recommend it. I might start selling this on my website. I'm not sure, but I'll probably put the link to purchase elsewhere until I start carrying it, because it's that great. You need to get it. If you're a leather lover and you have some pieces that you want to protect, especially things that you paid good money for, I would highly recommend this. And of course, always test it on an inconspicuous spot first, because you don't want to damage anything or miscolor the dyes, deepen the color of the dyes or whatever in the leather. All right, very impromptu video as usual, not so professional, but as you can see, it really works well. So stay tuned to see these new products. I'm really excited about it because this leather rocks. All right, have a great day. Love and peace. Bye.